Oh, right. It's right before Christmas time. Time for another YouTube glitch. As you see right here, for some reason, my video shows is ineligible for monetization. There's no copyrights, anything like that. So if I do a quick refresh, I think this has been happening for the last few days. So if you do a quick refresh, I think it's going to pop up in a different video. Don't forget see? That was at the food review. That was the Europe crate. And then now it's come up to how to install LED strip lights. Pay close attention. None of this on the page is ineligible. Well, actually, okay, these two are showing up as ineligible. Again, no copyright. All right, once I refresh, take a look at this. I bet you it pops up somewhere or it totally disappears. See? That was one of it. See, now it popped up to the tripod. And this Mazda check. And this dumbbell review. And this Melpo, which was published. So it doesn't matter if it's published or scheduled. Now it's on 4 of these, 5 of these. Ridiculous. One more refresh. Okay, so if I want to dive deeper, let's go ahead and go to one of these supposedly ineligible monetization videos. Click on monetization. Surely enough, see, monetization approved and on. It's a new glitch that I've never seen before. That is just crazy. But don't worry, it's just a glitch. You still get monetized. I just want to show you guys what's going on.